Hello everyone. Today in this video, let's learn about what is mean by a random variable. I'll just explain with the help of an example first, and then I'll tell you the definition of it. Okay, let's imagine we have a die. How many sides a die has? 1, 2, 3, and the base one is this is the 4, and this is the 5, and this is the 6. So total a die has 6 sides. Imagine I'm just rolling this die, and what are my possible outcomes? So when we say dice, we have 6 sides. So each side has its own number. So for all the sides, for each of the sides, we have a specific numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are total 6 possible outcomes that I get if I roll a die. So these outcomes are taken by our random variable, that is x. So our random variable usually considers all these possible outcomes, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And imagine after finishing of rolling a die, now that we have got a particular output as 6. Now that our die has shown up a number, that is 6. Now, out of all these possible outcomes, our random variable assigns this number 6 to a variable, that is x, to itself basically. So what is the usage of random variable is, it usually considers all the possible outcomes, and when rolling a die is finished and the number shown up is 6, then it usually assigns this particular number to itself. Now the random variable has become x is equal to 6. Okay, so now I'll just explain the definition of it. Random variable, it takes each possible outcome. Imagine in this example, rolling a die, and it assigns itself to the value. In this case, the number that shows up on a die. So this is the definition for a random variable. I'm just explaining this definition in most layman terms. Nothing but we have a die and it is actually rolling. So when we say rolling, I'm just describing this with the help of arrows so that you can understand the motion of it. Now it is in the rolling motion. Now when it has finally landed, like when it is finally landed a static position, now it shows up some or the other number, like either 1 or 2 or 3 or whatever it is. But it only has the options of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So out of these 6, it will only show any of these numbers, like either 1, 2, 3 or 5 or 6. So imagine whatever the number shows up here, our random variable, that is x, will grab that number and assigns to itself. So imagine some number 3 has shown up here. Now random variable x will become 3. So this is what it is. But how does it usually helps? Like imagine this is just a example of rolling die, but imagine we have categories of colors. For example, we have many colors in our in our colors. We have like blue, green, orange, violet, dark brown, red, etc. And we have approximately some 10 to 20 colors, imagine. So just remembering all these colors in our mind is a hectic task. So instead of that, what we can do is, with the help of these random variables, we can assign some number to all of these colors. For example, for blue, I'm assigning 1. For green, I'm assigning 2. For orange, I'm assigning 3. For violet, I'm assigning 4. For red, I'm assigning 5. So with the help of numbers, we can easily remember up to n number of colors. So that's the use case for a random variable in probability. That's it.